Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a drone tour of the Usain Bolt building. Now this is a building under construction at 30 Hope Road. It's going to have 60,000 square feet. There is another building on Halfway Tree Road that Usain Bolt also built. That one is I don't remember the name right now, but I'll tell you in a little bit. So this one is 60,000 square feet, and it's right across from the Andrews Hospital. Okay, the one that was built on Halfway Tree Road is a 76 tower building, and that's also the Usain Bolt building, and it's built at 78 Halfway Tree, or I guess 76. And that one is used as a BPO, and this one is also going to be used by a BPO. It's built specifically for a call center. If you notice how the building is laid out, it's like one big floor. That's what call centers use. They use just like an open space, and they put cubicles in it, and it's like a floor basically just laid out, and you put cubicles on it, and that's the call center. So the call center industry is doing extremely well in Jamaica. It's expanding, and although 85% of all the buildings going up now are residential buildings, the commercial buildings are still going up. This is one. And just up the road, they have another one, a 10-story building going up across from Jamaica House. This is a very nice building, and it's moving. It's going up really quickly. So at the beginning, when call centers came to Jamaica, they would take an existing building and renovate it, usually take down all the drywall and just have one open space and put the cubicles in it. But the industry is doing so well now that developers are actually building buildings specifically for call centers. So this is one. There's another one being built at 58 Halfway Tree Road, specifically being built for a call center. That one is actually a 10-floor building. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. And this one should finish sometime next year. Alright guys, let us know what you think of this building. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. That is Hope Road that you're looking at on the right. And some of the major call center operators in the world are located in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of the video, and I hope you guys like how we're flying the drone now. When we first got the drone, a lot of people left a lot of comments, so let us know what you think about the flying of the drone and how we can improve. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Have a good day.